Good morning students. Today we are going to study some nature of salt. The salts are given. We are going to identify whether the given salt is acidic salt or basic salt. How do you know? In order to understand the nature of the salt, you should remember two things in your mind. That is, some are strong basic radicals, some are strong acidic radicals. What are strong basic groups or basic radicals? Strong basic radicals, strong base, strong acidic radical. Okay, strong. Here you should remember few elements. For example, sodium, potassium, calcium, barium. These things you have to remember. In your salt, if these elements are found, then we can say it is a strong base. And what about strong acidic radicals? For example, chloride ion, nitrate ion and sulfate ion. If these radicals are present, then we can say the salt is having strong acidic power. Okay, only these things you have to remember. Potassium, sodium, calcium, barium. In your salt, these symbols are there. Then we can say it's a strong base. If these are there, we can say strong acid. Okay, now we are going to identify. Now you are given this salt. Now you are going to identify what is the nature of salt. How do you identify? Divide into two groups, sodium and chloride. Look at this, sodium is a strong base. Sodium is under the strong basic list. Isn't it? This radical. So you write it is a strong base. You know metal always forms positive nature, that means basic nature. And look at this chlorine. Chlorine also under strong acidic group. Both are strong. Basic radical also strong, acidic radical also strong. So the your salt is neutral. So the salt is neutral salt. Okay. How do you know? How do you test? Add the pH solution, pH paper, universal indicator if you add, there will be no change. Okay, litmus solution or any red litmus or blue litmus solution, you add to this NaCl solution, there will be no change because the salt is neutral. Understand? Second salt is calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate. We are going to identify the nature of the salt, whether acidic salt or basic salt, and what is the effect of adding litmus solution to this solution. Two questions, identification and what is the action of litmus to this solution. First question, you are to divide into two groups. This is metal basic nature, this is non-metal group acidic nature. Look at this, Ca is strong base, isn't it? So you write it is a strong base. And what about carbonate? Not under this list. That means weak acidic group. So this strong base, it is a combination of strong basic group and weak acidic group. So who is strong? Base is strong. So the salt is basic salt. How do you know? Add litmus solution to this solution, salt solution, add little water. So it becomes solution. To this you add litmus solution. It changes into blue. Why? The radical is strong base. The acid radical is weak. So the salt is what salt? Basic salt. Understand? And third question, aluminium sulfate. Aluminium valency 3, sulfate valency 2. So aluminium sulfate. You divide the salt into two groups or two radicals. The first radical is metal, it is the base. It is not under the list, so it is weak base. Weak base. Sulfate is strong, so it is strong acid. Clear? Now tell me the salt, who is strong? Acidic radical is strong, no? So the salt is strong, acidic salt. Acidic group is strong, no? So the salt is acidic salt. How do you know? Add pH solution, test the pH solution or add litmus solution, changes into red. because acid salt, no acidic nature. The salt is having acidic property. So changes into red because acidic radical is strong. Understand? So pH value will be less than 7. You know, if the solution is acid, pH value will be less than 7. Understand? So pH will be less than 7 and acid is strong. So acidic salt. Acidic salt. Are you getting? And one more example. Calcium chloride. So calcium and chloride, two radicals are present in a salt. Calcium is strong base. You write strong base. First one is base. Second one is acid radical. Chlorine, look at this. Chlorine also strong acidic group. Strong. Both are strong. So what will be? It is neutral. The salt is neutral. pH value remains 7. But drinking water also neutral, you know, neutral solution. So pH value remains 7. If it is basic, strong base, weak acids, the salt is basic salt. So pH will be more than 7. If it is weak base, strong acid, what is solution? Acidic solution, pH shows less than, pH value shows less than 7. Clear? One more, the last salt. Sodium bi means hydrogen, carbonate. So divided into groups, sodium bicarbonate. Look at the sodium, it is a strong base. And whereas acidic group is bicarbonate, carbonate are weak, okay? Weak, acidic. It is not under the list. Okay. So who is strong here? Base is strong. So the salt is basic salt. The salt is, why the salt is basic salt? Because when you add water, you know why the reason. It is called hydrolysis. Add water, you will get, what is that? Base, Na base, and this is acid. Okay? Understand? The base with the acid. If it is carbonate, this is a base, this is which acid? Carbonate, no? So carbonic acid. Sorry. Carbonate means carbonic acid. Hydrogen carbonate means carbonic acid. Okay. It is found from this one. Base with acid, salt and water. It is another question. Write the neutralization reaction. It is an example of neutralization reaction. Now what type of salt? Base is strong. So it is a basic salt. So pH value will be more than 7. pH will be more than 7. And changes blue, litmus also change into blue. Clear? Thank you.